I've eaten way too many potatoes. Click subscribe because this video is for subscribers only. So I wanted to give you guys a summary of my first week on the potato diet, but I didn't want to bore you too much, so I also walked around downtown and got some pretty cool shots. Okay, so on day one, I didn't even eat until 5 o'clock. Problem was, I forgot how long it takes to make potatoes, and when my lunch break came and I put a potato in the oven, I didn't realize I wasn't gonna have time to eat it, so I didn't eat until my second break around 5. But I felt fine. It felt more like a fast, and I wouldn't call it hard. To be honest, I did want a soda on that first day, but I didn't have anything but plain baked potatoes and water. Day 2 started out with a Starbucks cold brew unsweet, only about 15 calories, and that held me till lunch, and I was starving, so I made 4 baked potatoes. But to my surprise, I only ate 2. I think I was still hungry, but I didn't want to eat anymore. And it worked out, those other 2 became dinner. So for that day, it was coffee, potato, 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 potato. And that was it, other than water. Day 3 was predictably the hardest. I even filled out a DoorDash order, but I did cancel it. What stopped me was that I realized that I wasn't even hungry. It's hard to explain, but I felt like I just didn't want to eat. And I'm not even talking about potatoes either, just nothing. On day 4, I added a little bit of spice to my potatoes.
I'm gonna dip this potato in some crushed Vicodin.
I added just some Mrs. Dash. But it's weird. Eating hasn't been this driving force anymore. I did cheat. On day 7, I caved in and I got a soda, but 2 sips in, I kind of had an epiphany and I realized I don't think I like the taste of soda. It's kind of hard to explain because I've been drinking it for so long, but I never really thought about the taste of it. Maybe it's the carbonation that I really like, so I'm gonna try some carbonated water after this whole potato thing. You know, I do have a thing for soda. What the? Damn it! Potatoes. So anyways, I got one more day to go. Hit that potato button and make sure you ring the potato. Hit that like potato. Just subscribe. I'll see you next time. Be risky.